India is about to launch its first ever university that is 100% dedicated to artificial intelligence. Not an AI department inside an engineering college, not a certificate program, a full-blown university built from scratch in partnership with NVIDIA. And here's the kicker, guys. It is opening its doors on February 19th, 2026. That's not coming soon, that is now. The location is Amaravati in Andhra Pradesh, and the goal is to train 10,000 students, incubate 500 AI startups, and basically turn an entire city into India's AI capital. Now, this sounds massive on paper, but it actually is going to deliver. Hi guys, I'm Amrit, and in today's video, I'm going to break down India's first AI university. So let us start with the basics. The Andhra Pradesh government has signed an MOU with NVIDIA to set up what they are calling as India's first dedicated AI university in Amaravati. Now, NVIDIA, for those who might not know, isn't just a graphics card company anymore. They are basically the backbone of the entire global AI infrastructure. Their GPUs power everything from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. So having NVIDIA as your technical partner for an AI university, that's a pretty big deal. So let us have a look at what this partnership actually covers. Number one, NVIDIA will help design the curriculum. So we are not talking about outdated textbooks. This is going to be aligned with what global AI industries are actually looking for. They are providing access to high-performance computing infrastructures, think GPU clusters, AI frameworks, the real tools researchers and engineers use. They are supporting research centers on campus focused on real-world AI application. And this is important, guys, they are opening up their NVIDIA Inception program to 500 startups from Andhra Pradesh. The whole thing originated from a meeting between Andhra Pradesh's IT Minister Nara Lokesh and NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang back in 2024 in Mumbai. Fast forward to now, and it's actually becoming real. Now let us talk about what students will actually learn here. The university is planning to offer undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral programs. The core subjects will cover artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, deep learning, robotics, computer vision, natural language processing, and high-performance computing. But here is what makes it different from a regular CS program at an IIT or an NIT. The curriculum is being designed with domain-specific applications built in. We are talking about AI applied to agriculture, healthcare, smart cities and governance, fintech, defense, climate technology, and logistics. So it is not just learn the theory and figure out the rest. The intent is for students to graduate with the ability to actually build solutions in these sectors. They are also including modules on AI ethics, responsible AI development, data privacy, fairness, and accountability, which honestly is super necessary and often completely ignored in the Indian tech education. Now, one thing worth noting is that the first actual academic cohort is expected to start coursework in August 2026, about 6 months after the ceremonial opening. Before that, there will be preparatory bridge modules delivered through online platforms. Faculty onboarding and infrastructure testing will run from March through July. A second intake is planned to double capacity by mid-2027. Okay, this part I find genuinely exciting, especially if you are a founder or an aspiring entrepreneur in the AI space. This isn't just a university, they're calling it an AI factory. The entire model integrates education, research labs, startup incubation, and even government problem statements under one roof. 500 plus AI startups from Andhra Pradesh will get access to NVIDIA's Global Inception program. That means technical assistance and mentorship, go-to-market support, networking with global markets and investors, cloud credits, access to on-premise GPU computing, which is huge for an early-stage AI companies. On top of that, the university will have a dedicated incubation wing that connects research teams with venture capital and government grants. So imagine this. You're a student, you build something interesting in a lab that's powered by NVIDIA hardware, your research team gets matched with a VC, and you have a direct access to government problem statements that need AI solutions. That's a pipeline most Silicon Valley accelerators would be jealous of. Whether this actually plays out this cleanly, we will see, but the structure is there. Now zoom out for a second, because the AI university is actually just one piece of a much larger play. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who by the way is also the person behind getting ISB and NELSR set up in Hyderabad back in the day, has this vision of turning Amaravati into a full-on knowledge capital. Here is what else is happening alongside the AI University. Number 1, the Quantum Tech Valley. The foundation ceremony just happened. This will be India's first integrated quantum ecosystem with quantum computing hardware, software development, algorithm design, and workforce training. Companies like IBM, TCS are already involved in this. Number 2, a 50-acre quantum computing village, designed as a collaborative zone for institutions and companies to work on quantum computing research. Number 3, AI agents for every public servant. Under the Real-Time Governance Society, the state plans to deploy AI agents across its administration to improve productivity and data-driven decision-making. They're calling it the agent space. So, the bet isn't just on education, it is on building an entire tech ecosystem. Universities, startups, quantum computing, smart governance, all concentrated in one place. Let us talk about numbers now. The projected impact of the AI University alone is significant. 10,000 students trained in AI over the first 2 years, 500 startups supported through NVIDIA Inception, 3,000 direct jobs, basically researchers, faculty, support staff, 15,000 indirect jobs, contractors, service providers, and up to 8,000 crores in data centers and real estate investment. A target to boost regional AI education enrollment by 25% within 5 years. And at a national level, Niti Aayog projects that an accelerated AI adoption could add up to $600 billion to India's GDP by 2035. If Andhra Pradesh can capture even a fraction of that by building the talent pipeline early, this is a massive first mover's advantage. Now here is the bottom line. India has been talking about AI for years. We have got the talent, we have got the scale. What we haven't had is a dedicated, purpose-built institution that's designed from the ground up to produce AI professionals. Not as an afterthought to a traditional engineering program, but as the entire focus. If Andhra Pradesh and NVIDIA pull this off, and if the quality matches the ambition, this could genuinely change the game. Not just for the state, but for India's position in the global AI race. I will be tracking this closely and bring you the updates as it progresses. If you want to stay in the loop, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also drop a comment below whether do you think India's AI University can actually deliver on its promise. Till then, bye-bye and I'll see you in the next one.